Hi friends, we all heard about Tesla electrical car by Elon Musk. Actually, we heard the name Tesla for the first time because of that car only. And Tesla comes from a renowned scientist about whom we know very less only. So we have to know who this Tesla or Nikola Tesla is. Actually, he was a renowned scientist in the 19th and 20th century, and as we know, about 80% of our electrical appliances or electronic appliances that we are using, household appliances, even the AC, motor, generator, etc. 80% of the things that we are using now, even the mobile phone, the computer, have something invented by Tesla himself. And such a person is not so popular. That's actually a really surprising thing, but it has happened in such a way that he don't believe in popularity, but he just he was such a humble person, and he even gave some of his inventions, stolen by somebody else. Many of his inventions were stolen by many other scientists, and they became renowned and they became rich because of Tesla only. Actually, he made more than 700 inventions and more than 100 patents in his name. That story I will explain later. So let us start with the life of Tesla. He was born in the New Croatia or the olden Austria, and it was a very storm and lightning day in which the Tesla was born. The maid who was taking the birth of Tesla, she said that this is a child of darkness. At the same time, his mother said that no, he is a child of light. And actually, that is what exactly happened afterwards. The history says that he is the child of light. And his father was a priest. He was born to a Serbian couple, and his father was a priest and his mother was a housewife. And he was the fourth kid of his parents. There are total 5 kids. And his mother has some remarkable capacities of remembering all the things in detail. She have got good memory, and she used to invent small things to make the work easier for the house. So maybe this quality the Tesla got from his own mother. And his father also trained him to cut some verses from the Bible, and from his father also Tesla acquired so many qualities like observing things and studying patience, etc. And in those days, all the kids' aim was to become a soldier or a priest. So in Tesla's home, all of them want Tesla to be a priest because his father was also a priest. But Tesla don't have any ambition to become a priest or to be joined in army. Instead, he had more interest in science or physics or electricity. Especially, he had seen so many demonstrations from one of his teachers in the school, who usually demonstrate things connected with electricity. Tesla was not an ordinary student. He was a very bright student. He used to calculate the integral calculus in his own mind, and then he gave the answer. So most of his teachers thought that he was cheating them because nobody can do that. But actually Tesla did that in his own mind only. That he has proved later in his years also, because many of his machines that he invented, he made all the visions in his mind, all the rectifications, everything perfect in his mind, and the result thing only he just made it. So that's the way Tesla's approach to the inventions and the scientific problems and solutions. And at the age of 17, he had cholera. He was born in 1856. So in 19th century, the modern medicine was just in its primitive state. So cholera was a dreadful disease at that time. His father, Tesla, said that if he allowed him to go to study in the engineering college, he may revive from this disease. And because of the situation, his father said that okay, you can go to the engineering college. And astonishingly, within 1 week, all his disease gone within no time. So Tesla, with the permission of his parents, joined the engineering college, and he was a super student in that college, and all the teachers, professors there appreciate him so much, and he was so hardworking too. That is, he started his work early 3 o'clock in the morning till 11 o'clock in the evening. And in fact, many of his professors write letters to his father stating that he had to take the student from the college because he may die because of his overwork. That was the thing that the teachers used to say about him, because he was so bright, and he had the capacity to speak in 8 languages at that time, and he got so many scholarships in the first year. But in the second year, what happened is that his focus changed to gambling, and because of that he couldn't complete the university degree, and somehow he managed to take the money which he lost in the gambling through gambling itself, and gave the money which he got from his home back. So that thing is settled, but he couldn't complete the college degree, so he was so frustrated, and he cut all the relation with his parents at that time. So some of his friends at his hometown thought that he was drowned in a river at that time. Actually, because of the shyness that he couldn't say that he couldn't get pass the examination, he just cut off everything. He joined a telegram company there. He worked there for a very less time, and while he was working there, he tried to improve the telegraph machine there, and he didn't take the patent for that. After a short period of job there, he went to America with only 30 cents in his hand and a suitcase. Later he managed to join Edison's General Electric company. Looking at his inventions or improvements in the machines that had been there, that is the DC motor, the DC generator which Edison invented. Actually, there were so many problems with the DC generator. The transmission, the power transmission, the transformers and the transmission and the application all have real grave problems, which by the help of Tesla they have solved. Tesla made everything easier for Edison. So Edison noted Tesla. Once Edison promised Tesla that if he made the DC motor good, that is reliable, which can be work easier because there were sparks in it. That is a grave mistake in it. So Edison gave the chance for Tesla to rectify it, and Tesla within no time rectified it. And he also promised that he will give $1 million if he rectified it. But when Tesla asked him where is the reward for that, Edison told him that you don't know anything about the American humor, so that he didn't get anything there. So because of this humiliation, that is what it has been said regarding the resignation of Tesla from Edison's company. He resigned. He didn't get any job, and he said that was the difficult time in his life, because he made ditches for $2 to $3 per day, community finance at that time. So, but after some time, he managed to make a partnership with one of the richest person then in America called Westinghouse, and then he wanted to start his dream project like hydroelectricity from the Niagara waterfalls. It was a new idea then. Tesla actually was supporting alternating current, while Edison was supporting DC current, direct current. So when he joined his partnership with the Westinghouse, actually it is called, there's a war started after that. It is called War of Currents, which was very well known at that time, because Europe was undergoing in a very high revolution in the field of electricity. Edison got the DC current, and Edison wanted the DC to be installed for household, for all the houses, so that his invention called electric lamp should be banned everywhere. Actually, he was not the person who invented the electric bulb. We all studied that electric bulb was invented by Edison, but he was the 20th person who modified it popular. That's the way. Actually, he's like Steve Jobs in computer, like that Edison. He popularized it and he commercialized it. But for making it happen, he want his DC generator, transformer and power transmission system to be employed everywhere. But it cost a lot, and it was a heavy risk also in it. And his transmission wire was almost the size of our arms, so it was not a practical idea to lighten up the whole world by DC current. In this time, Tesla said that it can happen through alternating current. So there the war started, and with the partnership of the Westinghouse, Tesla really made AC motors, AC generator, AC transformers, and transmission lines, and he made it happen that the power can be distributed by AC current in a more cheaper way and in a more economic way than DC current. So Edison was very disappointed with Tesla, because his whole business will slow down, because if AC current goes up, DC will go down. So in order to show that AC current is dangerous, Edison made the electric chair. So it was actually a discovery by Edison in order to prove that AC current was bad. Houses near the Edison's lab, the pets in the houses used to disappear, because Edison announced the reward that if any person comes to his lab with an animal, he will give 30-40 cents. So most of the kids there in his neighborhood took or stole the pets of other people and gave to Edison for this 30 cents. And what Edison did with these animals is that he electrocuted in public to show that AC current is really dangerous. He even electrocuted a big elephant for this, because he just wanted to prove that alternating current is really dangerous. So in order to cope up with this thing, Tesla, in an exhibition, he allowed the AC current to pass through his body and to light a bulb. So thus he proved that it is not that much dangerous. You have to handle it with care, and then it will be okay. One of the significant invention by Tesla is radio itself. We heard that Marconi is the person who invented radio. Actually, it was not Marconi, it was Tesla himself. But we don't know that it was Tesla. That is the person who the Tesla was, because he don't believe in popularity, he don't try for any popularity. Many of his inventions were stolen by some other people who are more smarter in stealing. That's why it goes to Marconi. Actually, it was by Tesla. And in one of the interviews, he said that Marconi was a good person who have already stolen 17 of my inventions, but it's okay, I have no problem. Like that he was telling. Then the second significant invention is X-ray. You know, X-ray was invented by Roentgen. The first X-ray photograph is of a hand by Tesla himself. All these things we came to know only after they know that it was Tesla who did all these things from his lab records. We know Tesla coil. Tesla coil is also famous, which is still using in the radio. It's a coil which need very less current to make high voltage, and it has got its application in so many other things also. Then comes hydroelectricity. You know, hydroelectricity is a thing from which we can power a whole city, the waterfall, maybe from a dam or any waterfalls. Actually, he did it in Niagara waterfalls, about which he even dreamed when he was a kid. That's the main thing I have to tell. Even when he was a kid, he used to tell his uncle that he can make electricity from falling water. And it was said that he even imagined about mobile phones and internet. You have to know that it was in 19th century he imagined. He even demonstrated a remote control boat, a small, before a high audience, to show that this remote sensing can also be possible. That, you know, it happened in 19th century. See, he even think about internet that we are having right now. He even think about transmitting electricity without any wires, because in those days New York City was full of wires, because you have even now in Asian countries, you know that there are so many posts and wires. In developed countries, they have gone for underground cables, but in most of the Asian countries is still following from post. So in order to avoid that, he was thinking about how can we transmit electricity without any wireless electricity. That was also in 19th century he thought of. He was actually a futuristic thinking. He used to say that now the things, they will take all the things away from me, but I am a person who is always thinking about future only. I am not the present person, I am a futuristic person. Like that he used it. He also failed utterly in many inventions. One of the inventions is Tesla Tower. The problem that happened is that Westinghouse had some financial problem at that time, and then Westinghouse asked Tesla to, can you please stop getting the royalty temporarily for some temporary time only, can you please stop, so that they can pass through their tough economic situation, and once they are okay, they are ready to give the royalty to him. And what Tesla did was actually he tear off the contract between Tesla and Westinghouse, and that cost around 300 billion US dollar at that time. So, and what Tesla said that actually he was a person who believed him when nobody believed him. So that itself gave him all the things that he needed. So that was the person Tesla was. When Westinghouse has gone financially weak, Tesla approached another rich person in America at that time, Mr. J.P. Morgan, who readily accepted his offer to make Tesla Tower a reality. Tesla Tower is a tower which will tap energy from the ionosphere of Earth and then release it wirelessly to lighten up a whole city there. That means wireless electricity. And that was Tesla's dream, and J.P. Morgan at that time was convinced, and he said yes to the project, and they started. But while they started, at the same time, our Marconi sent the first or the message to Atlantic Ocean, across the Atlantic Ocean. So J.P. Morgan was more attracted to Marconi, and his interest into Tesla lost for one another reason also. The reason was that Tesla told J.P. Morgan that the energy that the Tesla Tower will take from the Earth ionosphere should be distributed freely. It should be a free energy, which the J.P. Morgan was not convinced. He was not ready for that, because he was a business person. He cannot approve any such free things. So he abandoned the project, and the project all goes to Tesla again. So whatever fortunes Tesla was having at that time, he spent all money into it, but still the project doesn't happen, because the project need more money to complete it, but which the Tesla cannot find out at that time. And because of this great failure, Tesla's popularity has decreased a lot. And since he don't want to compromise his patents, because he was just looking into the things that made, he was always saying that he was only for humanity, and he want to give humans a much better place to make their works more easier. That's what Tesla was all his life. Like the numbers 369, he used to enter into any building after walking 3 times across the building, and he used to clean his table with 18 aprons. So many faith like that was in his mind at that time. And one more thing which I forget to tell is that regarding the earthquake machine, he invented an earthquake machine by which he can a full building within minutes. That is, the machine which he invented can take a resonance or the vibration frequency of a building itself, so that it will be destroyed if the frequency changes. That means it can destroy any bridge or any multi-level, multi-story building, which he tried also, and many people panicked. And it was just a small machine which he put it in his pocket. So that was a great machine which he made, about which much thing is not known now. And also he calculated the earthquake frequency also at that time, long before other people have any knowledge about that. So he is actually peeping into the future of mankind. And his because of the Tesla Tower failure, he had depression, and he received so many awards. He was accommodated in a New Yorker hotel, where he died at the age of 86 in 1940. And he had only one lover. Actually, it was a pigeon, It was not a woman. He loved that pigeon like a man loved a woman. So Tesla is a person who is still living with his inventions in our mind, about whom much we don't know. I mean, he was not so popular. Even in our textbooks, we couldn't find any Tesla there. In fact, Tesla could be a billionaire in his own time if he wants to, but he didn't go for that. He believes in humanity. He just wants to give humankind a better world. Actually, he is the person who made America the biggest economy, the biggest industrial nation, because of Tesla only. Of course, there are so many other persons, but Tesla did a major chunk of the thing in it. And the way which we are living in the modern world is fully owed to Tesla in many ways. You know, once Einstein was asked how you feel being the most intelligent and genius person in the world, Einstein said, ask Tesla. So that is Tesla. So if you like this video, please share the video, like the video, and also subscribe the video. Thank you very much.